brother and sister, Jack and Jill, have been sent by their mother to go fetch some water from the well.
Can't believe Mom is making us fetch water again.
Yeah, I know. I want to stay in my skipping rope. Oh, look, there's the hill in the well. Ratio.
Wow, this hill is really steep. Be careful you don't fall.
You be careful. You know you're the clumsy one. Na 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 na.
Suddenly, as Jack and Jill are running up the hill,
It hurts! My head is bleeding! Mommy!
Jill hears Jack screaming and turns back to go help Jack.
Are you okay? I'll stop the bleeding.
As Jill is coming down the hill to help,
Oh no!
Are you alright, Jill?
I'm okay. Just a scratch. Has your head stopped bleeding? You really are clumsy, Jack.
Are you clumsy? You fell down too, you fool. Sisters, we need them.